Hello! My name is Michael, and today, instead of playing a game, we are going to have a fun time making breakfast. Would you like to make breakfast with me? You would? Great! Today, we are going to make two different breakfasts. The first breakfast is great for young cooks because it doesn't use any heat. No stoves, no ovens, and no open flames. The second breakfast is going to use a stovetop. Did you hear that? That means it's dangerous. So please make sure you have an adult close by to supervise. Sound good? Great. In our last video, we learned the names of some different breakfast foods. Do you remember what they are? If not, that's okay. Let's review. I want you to listen and repeat after me. Fruit. Cereal. Juice. Eggs. Sausages. Pancakes. Nice work! You did a great job remembering the names of those breakfast foods. Hey! Did you hear that? I think it's time to make our first breakfast. Welcome to my kitchen. For our first breakfast, I'm going to ask my friend Jay what he would like to eat for breakfast. Hi Jay, what would you like for breakfast?
I would like some juice, some cereal, and some fruit.
Okay. What kind of fruit would you like?
I'd like strawberries, bananas, and grapes.
Okay, coming right up. If you'd like to cook with me, you'll need to get all of your ingredients. Ingredients are the foods you'll use in the meal. For Jay's breakfast, we need juice, cereal, milk, and some fruit. Once you have all of your ingredients, let's start cooking. Step 1. Pouring the juice. Get your favorite juice. I'm going to use orange juice. And then pour the orange juice into a glass, like this. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Step 1 is complete. Step 2. Making cereal. Take your favorite cereal and an empty bowl. Pour the cereal into the bowl, like this. Then, pour the milk over the cereal. Ta-da! You did it! Breakfast is almost ready, and step 2 is complete. Step 3. Making fruit kebabs. To make fruit kebabs, you'll need some fruit, some scissors, and these little wooden sticks called skewers. If you're using a banana, start by peeling the banana, like this. If you're using strawberries, take your scissors and give the strawberries a little haircut, like this. If you're using grapes, all you have to do is wash the grapes and they're ready. When all of your fruit is ready, take the skewer and poke it through the fruit, like this. Repeat this step with all of your fruit. Strawberry, banana, grape, and repeat. Strawberry, banana, you did it! Ta-da! Breakfast is ready! And now, it's my favorite part. Eating!
Michael, is breakfast ready? I'm so hungry.
I'm sorry, Jay, but your breakfast is gone.
Gone?
Yeah. It looked so good and I was so hungry that I ate it.
What?
Sorry.
You ate my breakfast? Michael!
It's okay. It's okay, Jay. I'll make you another breakfast. You can have anything you want. What would you like for breakfast?
I would like some banana pancakes.
Okay. Coming right up. For Jay's second breakfast, we are going to make banana pancakes. Banana pancakes. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 banana, 1 egg, and some flour. About 1/4 cup. This is enough to make 2 pancakes. Step 1. Start by peeling your banana and putting it in a bowl, like this. Then, squish the banana with a fork or a potato masher, like this. This is my favorite part. It's so squishy. Step 2. Crack the egg into the bowl with the banana, like this. Then, mix the egg and the banana together, like this. Step 3. Pour the flour into the bowl and mix the ingredients together, like this. Once everything has been mixed together, your pancake batter is ready. Step 4. It's now time to cook the pancakes on the stovetop. Hey, did you hear that? That means that this part is dangerous. So please ask for help from an adult. To cook the pancakes, you'll need a frying pan, some butter, and an adult close by. First, put the frying pan on the stovetop and turn the burner to medium heat. Add some butter to the pan and wait for it to melt, like this. Next, take half of your batter and pour it in the pan and let it cook for about 2 or 3 minutes, or until the bottom of the pancake is brown. Then, flip the pancake over using a spatula and cook it for 1 more minute. And ta-da! Breakfast is served. Before I eat my pancakes, I like to add some maple syrup. If you don't have any maple syrup, you can also use honey. How do your pancakes look? Are you ready to eat them? I know I am. Mmm. Banana pancakes.
Michael!
Uh-oh! I just remembered. These pancakes were for Jay.
Michael! Did you eat my breakfast?
I did. I'm so sorry. The pancakes just looked so good.
But I'm still so hungry!
Hey, I have an idea. Maybe they can help. Will you make another breakfast for Jay?
Please?
You will? That's great!
Yes!
Thank you!
Thank you!
Hey! Did you hear that? I think it's time for us to say goodbye. Did you have a fun time making breakfast today? I hope so. If you want to continue learning with me, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and come back next time for more learning videos and games. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.
Learn,
Bye!
learn, learn, that's what we like to do.